In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro News Feed. By the end, you'll know how to open the live feed, understand what you're looking at, and quickly filter down to the headlines that matter most to you. Start by logging into Benzinga Pro and heading to the main dashboard. From there, click on News Feed or choose Advanced News Feed if you prefer more control right from the start. As soon as it opens, you'll see real-time headlines scrolling live. This is a continuous stream, so expect updates to flow in quickly during market hours. If it feels fast, that's normal. Your goal is to make the feed work for you, not the other way around. Let's get comfortable with the layout. Each news item includes 4 key pieces of information. First, the stock ticker, like AAPL or TSLA, tells you which company the headline is about. Second, the headline itself summarizes the news. Think earnings results, a product launch, or an analyst note. Third, the timestamp shows when it was posted, which helps you gauge freshness and urgency. And fourth, the category highlights what type of news it is, such as earnings, FDA, or upgrades. Together, these details explain why a stock may be moving and how quickly you may need to react. A quick tip: always glance at the time and category first to understand context, then read the headline to decide if it's actionable for your watch list. Now let's filter the noise, which is where the feed becomes truly powerful. Open the filter panel to narrow what you see. Start with market cap to focus on the types of companies you trade. Large caps often mean steadier moves and deeper liquidity, while small caps can deliver sharper, faster reactions to headlines. Next, use volume filters to surface names with meaningful trading activity. Higher volume often signals stronger interest and can improve execution if you plan to act on the news. Finally, set a price range that fits your strategy and risk tolerance, whether you prefer lower price movers or higher priced, more established names. Combine these filters to hone in on exactly what you need. For example, you might look for high volume, mid to large cap stocks within your preferred price range to find liquid opportunities tied to fresh catalysts. If the feed ever goes too quiet, widen the filters slightly. If it feels overwhelming, tighten them until you're seeing only truly relevant headlines. That's it. Log in, open the news feed, understand the 4 key elements of each item, and use market cap, volume, and price filters to make the stream actionable. With a little practice, the Benzinga Pro News Feed becomes a clear, fast signal in a noisy market.